Hello Bacha Party. In today's episode, we are going to draw Kokeshi doll. Kokeshi are simple wooden Japanese dolls with no arms or legs. Originally from the northeast region of Japan, they are handmade from wood. Many people believe that Kokeshi dolls can bring good luck. So, let's get started. So our first step is to draw Kokeshi doll's head. To draw this, we need a circular object and draw a circle. Now our circle is ready. Now it's time to make some hair. For hair, we will draw a curved line from a distance, another one, and from here another curve. Now it's time to draw a bun. From this point to this point, let's make a curved line. Now make 2 points here, one here and another one here. Now from this point, draw a curved, slightly curved line, and same. Now try to connect this corner up to here with a curved line. And same in this direction. Now the hair part is complete. Now it's time to draw 2 eyes. For eyes, I'm taking this cap and let's make a circle. After eyes, it's time to make a smile. For smile, draw a U shape. Now our second step is to draw kimono. Kimono is the name of the dress. To draw kimono, let's mark 2 points here and similarly 2 points at the bottom of the page. Now it's time to connect these 2 points with a curved line and similarly connect these 2 points with a curved line. Now join these 2 points. For neck, draw 2 points. Now make a triangle. Now the triangle is ready, but we have to stretch this line up to here. Now the neck part of kimono is ready. Now it's time to draw belt. From here to here, draw a curved line. Another curved line. And now draw from this point to this point another curved line. Now we are going to draw arms. For arms, we will draw a point here and another point here, and we are going to connect it with a slightly curved line. Yes. And now from this point to this point another curved line. Now from here to here, make a mark. And try to connect these 2 points with a curve. Now our first arm is ready. It's time to make another arm. We are going to do the same. Make a point here and another point somewhere here and draw a curved line. And from this point to this point somewhere here, draw another curved line. Make a point here and from this point to this, try to connect it. Now our third step is to make a Chinese lantern. For Chinese lantern, I'm going to take this small circular object and let's make a circle. Another circle here. Now next step is to make the handles of a lantern. For this, mark 2 points here and with the help of scale, let's make a rectangle. And connect it. Similarly, at the bottom of this lantern, we are going to make a rectangle. And now make some loops to connect it with the hand. Now the basic shape of lantern is ready. Now you can draw any pattern inside this circle. Let's make the another lantern. Now last but not least, it's time to make Kokeshi Doll's hair accessory. For hair accessory, I am going to draw 2 diagonal lines with the help of scale. And now draw small circles. Now the drawing part of Kokeshi doll is complete. Now it's time to color it. For the hair, I am taking this black. Now for kimono, I am taking this yellow. For belt, I am taking this red color. For lantern, I am taking orange. For the second lantern, light green. Black for the handles. For eyes, black. Now for more details, I am taking this red color and I am going to draw some flowers on kimono. For more details, I am taking this black marker and I am going to draw some patterns on the lanterns. Now our Kokeshi doll is ready. You can also practice this at home. For more videos, stay tuned. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.